To start things off, let's get straight to the bottom line. There's no other model that provides faster path to capital than instant funding, but that price comes with a price. It's the only system where you skip the audition entirely and start trading live. Personally, I think it's the more efficient model on the market, but only if you have the skills to survive it. Before we dive into the details, this channel is still very new. If you value direct and honest platform insights, subscribe to H2T Funding and help us to grow and keep bringing you quality content. Instant funding is capital on demand. You pay a premium fee to bypass the two-stage evaluation process and receive a live paying account. There is no phase 1 and no phase 2. More importantly, you get a profit share from day one, usually ranging from 50% and 80% of whatever you earn. Let's say you buy a 10K account, hit your profit target within the required 5 to 10 trading days, and you withdraw your share, and that's it. Explanation over. It is a straight business transaction for traders who want to skip the audition and go straight to the payout. But speed has a price tag, and we need to talk about whether the investment actually pays off. Let's compare an evaluation account with an instant funding account. Starting with the entry cost, you are moving from a standard fee to something 4 to 5 times more expensive. You are paying a massive premium just to buy back the time it usually takes to pass a challenge. Next, look at the skill requirements. You are moving into an environment where the rules are incredibly strict, making it much harder to stay funded. Because there's no do-overs and no safety nets, the difficulty level is significantly higher than a standard evaluation. And then there's the max drawdown. In a standard challenge, you usually have 10% safety net, but with instant funding, that floor is raised to a strict 5 or 6%. You have almost no room to breathe. Moving to the leverage, you lose that 1 to 100 power and get capped at 1 to 30 or 1 to 50, which completely changes how you manage your position size. It is a total sacrifice for your safety net and buying power. And I will have to remind you again, only trade with a prop firm if you are ready, and only touch instant funding if you are truly familiar with the rules. If you are new to prop firms, please consider all the options. You're just paying a high price for a shortcut that you're not going to make. If you have the discipline to handle the pressure, there are some serious advantages when it comes to instant funding. The biggest draw here is speed. You're trading real capital immediately without wasting a single second providing yourself on a demo account. This translates directly to immediately cash flow. Most programs allow you to request your profit share as soon as your first withdrawal cycle hits, often within the first 14 days. Beyond the speed, you also escape the daily grind of certain restrictions. Programs like City Traders Imperium do not have a daily drawdown limit on those accounts. You only have a maximum total drawdown to worry about. And of course, it's not all sunshine and fast payouts. There are some brutal realities you need to accept before putting your money down. First, the entry is expensive and non-refundable. You are also operating within a much smaller capital. Account size are quite limited. Funded Next, for example, only offers 2K, 5K, 10K or 20K options. Once you're in, your buying power is heavily restricted by lower leverage. And to prevent gambling, firms also enforce minimum profitable days, requiring you to trade for 5 to 10 days with at least 0.5% gain before you can even see a payout. Ultimately, there's zero margin for error. One emotional day or a single oversight trade will terminate this expensive account instantly. Before you even think about clicking buy, let's be real about whether you're actually ready for this level of risk. If you're a beginner exploring prop firms, find which fits your needs. Do not spend a dime yet. Accepting some level of risk is part of the game, but this model is for experienced traders only. If you have not mastered your psychology and practiced the system, especially for trading with prop firms, instant funding is just the fastest way to lose your fee. This is not a place to learn, it is a place to perform. With rules like minimum profitable days and strict drawdown, the account is designed for traders who have a very high frequency strategy, take almost identical trades every day. And for most people with a standard trading style, these rules may feel very restrictive and difficult to maintain over the long run. For more information, don't hesitate to check out our website H2TFunding.com, where you will find detailed reviews of different prop firms to help you choose the best one that fits your trading style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to H2T Funding for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.